Pinto abalone are a species that live in kelp forests. They're a big snail, they have a big shell, and they've got a giant foot. And it's the only species of abalone native here to Washington. We lost 95% of that species after just 50 years of the recreational fishery being open. Protections, conservation, even just stopping fishing wasn't good enough for it to come back or recover without our help, and that's just what we're doing. We are so excited to have joined the Puget Sound Restoration Fund, Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife, and NOAA in their decades-long pinto abalone restoration work in the region. So in 2020, we built a nursery here at the Seattle Aquarium to raise and rear those animals and release those animals back out into their native habitat, our kelp forests here in the Pacific Northwest. Our Pinto Abalone project is not just about saving a single species. They're providing a food resource, they're creating new habitat for other animals to come in and settle, and they're also cleaning up the kelp forest that can sequester more carbon than the trees on land. So bringing this species back to kelp forest ecosystems is bringing a ripple effect through our ecosystems, and not just through kelp forests, but it helps regenerate the health of our local waters and connect with this amazing, beautiful, single one world ocean that we have.